Mr. Adams, have you seen this ad in the recruit news? Yes, I saw it, but I'm not interested in finding a new job. I've been here since I graduated from my university. I like working here. Really? I've only been here for 1 year, and I'm already tired of doing the same thing every day. I'm afraid of getting really bored. Oh, come on, it's not that bad. Wherever you work, you have to do the same thing every day to a certain degree. Well, what's more, I've been working about 10 hours a day since last month. But you've been getting paid more money for it, haven't you? Yes, but I'm not interested in making more money. I'm going to apply for another job. What kind of job? A secretarial job. Well, good luck. Thank you very much.
Do you smoke? I've never known that. When did you start smoking? I started smoking when I was 18. So, how long have you been a smoker? I've smoked for 20 years. How many cigarettes do you smoke a day? I smoked 2 packs of cigarettes a day. Have you ever tried to quit? Yes, I have quit twice. Once when I was expecting my baby, Paul, and the other time when I had a bad sore throat. But I had a hard time. If you knew what it was doing to your lungs, you would think twice about it.
Are you ready?
Grace is still in her room.
She needs to rush. We don't have enough time.
What time does the movie begin?
It starts at 7:30.
What's the time now?
It's about 7:10.
There's no hurry. It only takes 10 minutes by car to get there.
I know, but there aren't enough parking spaces around the theater.
Well, I'd better tell Grace to hurry up. She can take hours to get ready.
I thought that the movie was terrific, didn't you? I don't know. It didn't seem to have any meaning. Come on, it seems that you expect intellectual stimulation from every movie. I just think that it's a good movie should have a central theme, at least. Yes, but it doesn't hurt you to watch a funny movie once in a while. Relax and enjoy it. You're right. I'm too serious sometimes. I see you're reading Harry Potter. Do you like it? I can't put it down. Have you read it? Yes, in fact, I just finished it. The ending's great. Don't tell me. I only have 50 pages to go. Okay, I won't tell you who dies. Don't tell me anything! Okay, but I'm biting my tongue. Good, bite hard. Such a shame, though. What is? That Harry dies. Ah! I'm going to play soccer. Who are you playing with? Some friends from work. Are you a good soccer player? Yes, but I'm not the best player on the team. What time does the game begin? 9 o'clock. Why don't you come with me? I can't today. I'm very busy. Okay. See you later. I hope your team wins.
My son is graduating from high school today. And my daughter is graduating next year. How old is she? She's 16. I remember when she was a baby. I know. We're getting old. Don't say that. Why not? It's true. No, it isn't. We were young when we got married. That's right. But we got married 25 years ago.
Today is my cousin's birthday. What's your cousin's name? Kathy. I'm going to her house after dinner. How old is she? She's 24. She's my age. Is she pretty? Yes, she's very nice too. Is she single? No. She's married and has 2 children. Oh, that's too bad. Not for her.
What are you getting Jim for his birthday? I don't know yet. You can always get him a shirt. But I got him one last year. Oh, that's right. Let me think. I want to get him something different. How about a briefcase? Good idea. His briefcase is getting old. And it's something he'll use every day. Of course. Why didn't I think of that?
Hello?
Hello, is Mary there?
I'm sorry, you have the wrong number.
Oh, is this 2346789?
No, it's not.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Would you like anything else? You haven't eaten very much.
No thanks. I'm already full.
Oh, come on. Have some more.
No, I really can't. I've never been much of an eater.
Have some coffee then.
That would be nice.
How do you take it?
With sugar, please. No cream.
Here you are.
Thank you.